Alright, solving problem with quadratic equations is usually the same as solving other problems. You got to read the question carefully, define the unknown. You might have more than one unknowns. Then if that is the case, try to relate it to one expression. Then solve the equation. And last, give the answer to the question. However, when you give the answer to the question, you also need to think about which one is suitable to your question and rejects the one is not needed. Say, for example, I get one of the textbook question they got, like exercise 1F, our number 3 then. Number 3 is said to be the sum of natural number. The sum of natural number in its square is 210. Find the number. So first of all, I know, let the number be x, and then the other number, and it's square, so the second one is the square, so x plus x squared should be equals to 210. Alright, rearranging it, so we have x squared plus x minus 210 equals to 0. So what we got to do is we find out the expression of it. So we have x minus 14 and x plus 15 equals to 0 if you factorize it. So x will be equals to 14 or negative 15. Both of them supposed to be one of the x which related to it. However, we will cancel out the natural, because the question is talking about natural number. Negative 5 is not a natural number. Negative number is not natural because we do not count with negative number. So we're going to reject this one. And therefore the number is 14 only. So be very careful on which number with the question you're talking about. There's another question, very classic, that would be number 9. Number 9 talks about, you got a shape here, a square. We do not know how long, so we just assume that it's x on both sides. And then a square corner is cut out by 3 by 3. So that will come up to a cube. If I folded it up, this will be x, and this will be 3, and this will be 3. And then this middle bit will be the base of the shape, which become x minus 3 minus 3 equals to x minus 6. Alright, and if that is the case, then the question given you that the volume is 80. So volume is 80 cm squared, which is actually base times height times width. So it's x minus 6 times 3 equals to 80. Then we solve the equation. So it's x squared minus 12x plus 36 all times 30. 8 times 3 equals to 60, equals to 80. So we have 3x squared minus 36x plus 108 minus 80 equals to 0. 3x squared minus 36x equals to 28 minus 28 equals to 0. So again, we factorize it, see if we can do that. Ah, it's plus. Huh? All right, sorry. So plus 28. Oh, we got a horrible number. So we have to have the quadratic equation. X equals to b squared will be, no, negative 3 squared. B squared. So that will be equals to 18 plus or minus 4 root 15 over 3. And we got to reject the negative number. And then you come with a decimal for it. Is it cm? Yep. Okay, that is the function problem.